So, Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
See, today, our team media, right? Uronyo berarti team media around UBC, pada menurut yo di UBC. We're gonna go around and see around what these students do, what they're doing here. Special, we have a lunch. We have good lunch.
Yes.
Yeah.
Very good. Thank you.
Everybody have good lunch.
Yes.
Good. Well, we eat good lunch. There is a Singapore here around UBC, Singapore food or something. Yeah. Okay. Shall we go?
We shall go.
Okay, we going. Hello, jadi Ronyo. Today we are with tayo berarti dengan media team. Yeah, team media. We have lunch together. So at UBC, halal pizza. Okay. Yeah, this is halal here. Yeah, see, with the media team at UBC. Ipagka you lemah around. Okay, well, later on we can go around and see what's going on here. Right? Yeah. All right. You know that UBC they have their own hospital. Ada rumah sakit Roy, rumah sakit UBC.
Oh.
Kunan ni. Jabat Mowafagian Center. So na
Brown. Oh, coklat.
Apa ni? Jabat Mowafagian Center for Brain Health. Oh, ni untuk otak segala macam.
Ya, ada otak. Wow. Westbrook Mall.
Yeah. Nyo main road.
Yeah.
Kita lihat belah dia tu. Yeah. See, we gonna come. Tayo berarti tak wait kena.
We're gonna turn.
Tak kena parking nan. Okay.
Looking for parking right now.
Ya, baru yang neko.
Di kampung nak pre kau ju.
Nak kadung draw student ni no?
I think almost 16,000.
Yeah, 60. 60,000 students.
60,000. Oh.
Yeah. UBC na firefighter draw, police draw, ambulans draw, everything.
Community row you.
Nyo community draw. Sebab kasih penduduk 60,000 draw. Karak Sadung dengan Barnaby.
Ya.
Barnaby pada 8. Oh, je 80. Oh ya.
Tahu sih dia.
Karak Sadung dengan
Barnaby.
Karak Sadung dengan Barnaby. Berarti Citawik kena kangenan na parking. Ya. Kan le on kaya kalau betul agak kaduro kan tu.
Karap salju.
Iman team media I on my video.
You guys want to do it?
No. You do it because you sit at the front.
Yeah.
We'll just show it around.
In the back is VVIP, you know?
Very, very important people.
Yeah, like me yesterday, I went to the busy place.
Oh yeah.
I went there too.
We
watch
have
the game?
free lunch. I think, hey guys, we go to the wrong way.
It is okay. We're looking around. It's fine. There's never the wrong way.
Exploring adventure.
Yeah, adventures. Oh. We did go to the wrong way, guys.
No, turn right. No problem.
No, we can turn over there. No problem. Okay.
Tu, again building ipa kat Hino Canada.
I think that's the guy. You should turn this way. Your parking.
Yeah, your parking.
No, UBC problem parking. There's so many car and so many students, you know.
So many teachers. Guru-guru le
Yeah. We hope we find the parking over there.
This is a science building?
Yeah, I think this is science building.
Ryan's in computer science, right?
Yeah, but he's on the other side.
I'm also in computer science. Same thing.
Where? With?
Right now I'm at Langara, but I'm gonna to SFU. I'm just saving money to go college first.
Oh, good for you.
Good.
Very good.
Or
Yes, yes. Very
public
good.
health.
Or like I'm thinking, I don't know, either SFU or here. I'm still thinking. I don't know which one.
Yeah. Where you live, SFU is the best.
Yeah, and they have the better computer science program.
Yeah, yeah,
That's all the kids.
yeah. Computer science is good. If you like it, it's gonna be perfect for you. Okay. Yang empat dengan tim media Aceh Culture Center di University British Columbia.
Yes.
Kita pegang apa pasal Aceh lewat kah?
Oh, dude.
Kipat hanjit.
Iba hanya.
Nyo student di Balanggara College.
Nyo macam minta kerja.
Nyo minta kerja. Nyo kerja bak TV show. Bak show drama segala macam. Tapi minat drama Korea apa lo? Korea. Empat student ada. Jadi ronyo yang spesial. Kamu kali baju bucok ro tanya. Bak Singapore di UBC, bak Singapore kedai Singapore. Jadi laki ajak around. Ya, ingin tempat. Tempat lancar. Lancar ni. Look around, maybe you see Ryan. Yeah. I don't know, maybe where he is, maybe he's sleeping somewhere. Oh, you're gonna get lost here so easy. Yeah, I get lost so many times. I've been here 8 years. I've been lost. I get lost.
I've been here like 5 times.
Yo, I'm contract too. Come on, bro. Stop.
Dan tim media Aceh Culture Center.
Just pop out real quick, yo. Isn't it lunch?
Nampak. Jak around. Student yang papa anik kulat dengan lunch time.
I could hit you up, bro.
Who is that?
Right.
Oh, Ryan. Is that you? Is that you?
Wait, what?
Hi, Ryan. Is that you?
What are you talking about?
Do you know me? Do you know me, Ryan?
Oh, hey.
Yo,
Why are you guys here?
pegah bang Rian. Do you know me, Ryan?
What is happening?
No, we are here. We are my team, my media team Aceh Culture Center. They want to walk around.
Oh,
Yeah, we just finished have lunch.
We just passed by Irving
You
Building.
know, Bak Najum nyo pegah, Bak
Yo,
Jum.
the big bed.
No, Bak Jum.
There's this big clock, yo. Alright, for sure. Alright, for sure.
Oh. Oh, Ryan is gonna come. Ryan is gonna come.
You're lying.
We're like at this house.
This is Langgara students for science. Nyo kerja ba TV show kerja kan? Nyo tengah Ilham tengah minta kerja. Jilbab again. When you see people with jilbab, say apa kabar, okay? Maybe Malaysian. Let that too. Dua yang bunuh kan Malaysia. Ini ramai awak Malaysia. Mi orang Jumaat ramai. Oh, this no. No, because you know why? Maybe they're from Middle East. I think we should take a picture, 3 of us. 4 of us, you know what I mean? Yeah. Ya, orangnya berarti ya main ya kalau universitas, you know, di UBC. Hey, look, who's here? Wow. You want to meet us? Our team. This is my team. This is media team. I want to make them happy. We have lunch. I got this guy lunch. Yeah. So now Ryan come from Mandu.
Yeah, but
This is Hafiz.
so I gotta go. But
Bet tombong mana Ryan? Bet tombong mana dengan team lo. You need to respect my team. They working really hard.
told me 10 times.
Yeah. I want you to.
I called you 3 times. Relax.
Bet tombong tat. Dengan
No, I didn't have it on me. That's why I was like, yo. It was a discussion, so I was, oh my god. I was like,
Okay, Ryan. I know. You don't care about us.
oh, okay. Did you guys come here with him?
Yeah, I take care of my people.
Whoa, that's cool.
I take care of my team. Nice. We have lunch. We have iced tea.
How did you guys coordinate this? Did he want I never even get lunch. He never gets me lunch. No, he never gets me lunch. I
Yeah.
swear.
Yeah, you know why? Because when on the phone, who is this, right? Anak itu review ada telepon.
No, I knew it was Iram. I didn't know who you were. I didn't recognize the voice. You didn't recognize your own dad? Come on, bro. I'm not gonna expect my dad when you call.
It's good. Hey, Ryan. Bye. Good to see you, eh? Long time no see, eh? Ryan. Bye. Don't be shy. Bye. Balik. Nice, eh? Jadi kabeh tawis nak nyo ke Arab setengah jam lebih. Iban, lagi tahu.
Semangat.
Lagi tahu. Okay? I'm gonna close. Yeah. Okay.
Thank you. Till next time, guys.
Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum.